Yeah. Percy.
What's the name again?
Percy.
But that is Percy. But I expected you to go this route, my guy. Like this, like.
I see you, man. I've got those. You know,
Seriously?
I've got those. Yeah. The thing is, me, you know,
Yeah.
I do a couple of things.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's the thing.
Let's have something, Percy. Shokula, I should have good idea. Wait, no. Yeah. But how did you survive with that smoke around you, man?
Man, the smoke has been around even before I got onto the earth. So, you know, I was ready even before I got here, man.
So you're fine with it?
Yeah, no, Shulungi. Msawawa.
And you were of the same age.
Yeah, we were. Msawawa was younger though.
Yeah.
Zambia, I think, now which we were kind of like in the same age group. But I think he was 2 years older than me.
Do you guys still talk?
But not really like frequently. I think the last time I saw him was 2 years or 3 years ago. Yeah.
So any likelihood of going back to the studio for Mklame?
Ante usalaba ku tira muzika na. Understand? I said Nazama. At least I've tried.
This album, you like this kind of sound that you came up with?
I don't really have like a specific name for it because it's a combination of a whole lot of genres, you know. The dominant genre is reggae.
Yeah.
I mean, even in my hip hop, you know, I've got like reggae flows on it, you know. You can hear the roots of where my musical background is, you know what I mean? So, a lot of hip hop, a lot of R&B, a lot of soul. I've got gospel. I've got, you know, reggae, dancehall vibes, yeah.
When Dr. Colbert Mukwevho calls you to say, hey, Vana, I need a backing vocalist, man, let's go and perform. Do you still agree? Papa, no.
And you know a lot of my history, eh?
Yeah. No, I do, man.
No, not anymore, eh? No, man.
Why?
I feel like
you guys are good together, I must say.
I know. I've been doing songs with him. I'm actually featuring on my album as well.
He featured on your album?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, he doesn't feature me. he makes me his backing vocalist.
Oh, yeah.
He uses me like that.
So why don't you want to do it again? What's happening? Is it you growing or something like that?
Yeah, it's me becoming my own, you know, brand. You know, standing on my own in the you know, through my career.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I feel like it also like shadows me.
Yeah.
If I'm under that
Is that a bad thing though?
Not really.
It's not like
I just think
person, he's your father, a papa, yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
But I also want to become a legend. When am I going to become a legend if I'm under a legend? I need to make a name for myself here, man.
Yeah. Yeah. It feels good.
Okay. No. You're gonna see those days, but then I'm not gonna be his backing vocalist. That's the difference.
What do you wanna be?
I'm gonna be singing a song with him.
Oh.
You know, like you know, we a collaboration.
He plays an instrument. He plays the guitar.
He does.
What do you play?
I try guitar.
Yeah.
I wouldn't really call myself a good guitarist. I still got a lot of learning to do. So yeah.
So what do you write about mainly?
I write about life. I write about politics as well. I write about love. You know. Yeah, I write about a lot of things, man. I write about my experiences as well. Yeah.
Okay. Ya mavhengele lo ngebuya. Ibzele makakuthi jaka maviti ya wena mfethu. Wachinja vitu mfethu. Andona ukubula mani namunhla. Brave wachinja vitu bisa.
Mkondeleni.
Is that the real name?
Yeah, that's
It's like Percy. Asitini cha FM commentary chile.
A funeral cover namuntlha hi 60 rand ntsena yi tsarisa wena murhandziwa wa wena na vana va ntsevu ivi kuma cover ya 10,000 rand u nga ha tsarisa swilo swin'wana
the real name. That's my first name. That's my venda name.
tsarisela namuntlha ivi kuma cover ya 10,000
I actually even say it on the song, Venda Anthem.
Mala plus 015
Vembe TVET College bara machudeni hinkwavo lava nga na tsakela ku enrola eka NCD program ku ya tsarisela eka capacity kusuhi na vona ku tsala cap test tanana certified copy ya wena ya ID school report ya sweswi certified copy ya vatswari ya le hansi ka n'hweti tinharhu proof of resident u tlhela u va u pase grade 9 10 11 na level 4 ya abet nghena eka www.vembecollege.edu.za ku cheka campus leyi nga kusuhi na wena hatlisa sweswi nkarhi wa ha ri kona Vembe TVET College geared for excellence.
Guys, I'm Lonene, Percy, Mukwevho, studio FM. Leisha Candila. Oh man, yeah.
Which one did you start with?
What's wrong? Wait, mama, no. Okay, Percy, what's wrong with you changing name? Well, last other time you were named the Postman P. What? I'm like, come on, Mr. What? The next thing, Percy, the young lion. The next, continue.
I'm going by Percy the Postman now.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Well, the reason behind the name change is, I was trying to also outgrow. Percy just sounded too simple, like Percy, like Percy. That's you know what I mean.
Percy.
Yeah, but then like it felt so simple and.
Yeah. Is that Percy? Yeah.
So and then I felt like and then my cousin named me P Postman, which actually.
What is the P for?
The P was for Percy.
And the Postman? You work at the post office?
Well, Postman actually has a very lot of detail to it. Like me, I feel like sometimes what I sing about is not necessarily my message.
Okay.
It's probably a message from like a higher being. Or, that is actually just giving me a message to send to people. You know what I mean? So that's what a postman is. A postman is someone that delivers.
Why rather didn't you name the album Postman rather than changing your name? This is my input.
Well,
okay, who are you now?
Because I am the postman.
Who are you now? Yeah, you can put Postman Volume 1, Postman Volume 2.
No, but the name needs to represent who I am. So yes, I am Percy the Postman.
But who are you now?
That's who I am.
Percy
the Postman.
The Postman. No more Mukwevho.
No. Well, that's a default.
Default. Yeah. Papa Africa Zonga 89.4. Let's talk about keep calm. What's happening? What's keeping calm?
Well, I feel like people experience a lot of things in life. They need to find ways to kind of meditate and keep themselves at a state where they're in peace with all the drama that life could be throwing at them. So I meditate.
How do you meditate? By
well, we got the greens. The greens kind of keep us calm, and I think other people use my music to keep calm. So this song was to get people to keep calm.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's how you keep calm.
Yeah.
All right. Is it an EP? What do you call this thing? Is it just 2 songs that you're actually promoting?
Well, these are 2 singles from my upcoming album.
Yeah.
From my forthcoming album, it's
4th album.
No, it's my 5th album.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, like my coming album.
So what's happening on the second one? What are you talking about? On the other side?
No, Kaka.
Yeah, no, Kaka.
I'm telling these guys not to test me, not to mess with me. I'm not someone to be messed with. I'm the greatest to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so don't ever think you can do it any better than I do.
So this English is from Venda?
Well, I kind of grew up in Joburg, so
yeah. Man, Joburg. Okay.
No, man, don't make me sound like a snob or anything like that.
That's how you sound, man.
Wow.
Joburg.
So how should I speak? I come from Joburg.
Available online, or is still promoting it? What's happening? The 2 singles?
Yeah, they out on all digital stores. You can go on iTunes, Apple Music, Deezer, you name it, Spotify. Yeah.
What do you think? What do you want people to know about you? What don't we know about you?
Yeah. That's a crazy question. I didn't see that one coming.
It is, yeah. Like the World Cup.
Okay, what you don't know about me is that I'm a very loving, sensitive kind of character. But I also kind of have a very hard side of me that I think is very gangster.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So yeah, man, I've got 2 very crazy characteristics. Yeah. But I'm a very cool guy, I think.
What makes you angry? What makes you angry?
Being taken advantage of or being undermined or stuff like that. Yeah.
When somebody tells you that you remind them of the Dr. Mukwevho.
I love that.
You love that? I
love that.
Okay.
Yeah, I know I do.
So, any other... Okay, you can do it in a cappella.
All right. Okay, let me sing something for the women, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
All right. It goes like,
yeah.
Amuya wanga uzura unaye and the miru yanga yatendia we yeah yandi mufunanga manda dinga muferane so I'm fighting a chanda a song of the chads bay. I think that's enough. Should I go on? Oh, baby, said I love everything about you. Yeah, my world incomplete without you, baby. I don't wanna live my life without you. Yeah, because I'm not gonna stop loving you, baby. No, I wanna wake up right next to you every morning. And I wanna give you all my love in every form, yeah. 'Cause I cherish every minute, every moment, yeah, that I've spent with you. Di mufunanga manda.
Did you hear that brand multiracial? You think it was there?
Yeah. I know. Let's step outside. I got something for you, bro.
There's a producer outside who produces a show called La Terra. I think you'll be very relevant for that show on Sunday. I'm serious. For 1 hour, you can come in the studio and sing for the whole hour.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna come through.
Yeah, you see, he's agreeing with that.
All right. It's a date. I'm gonna come through. I'm gonna come bless the people.
Finally, when you listen to your old voice, okay, this is okay now. Yeah. How do I put it? You understand though?
Yeah.
This is like best man person. And I'm taking what happened? What comes to your mind when you listen to
my voice? Hey, what comes to mind? Stronger than your heart. Ngoba mina nawe sasophula litlizi. Let your mind be stronger than your heart.
You still miss that voice?
No, I don't. I love me now, man.
All right.
I've never been better.
Wow, man. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me, Brad.
Just go and help this guy, man.
Connie, it would be nice to see you, you know? Yeah, so I'll see you around, yeah? Okay, no worries. Yeah. I know. Shalabek. Shout out. Thank you so much.
Any live recording DVD anytime soon?
I'm planning on doing that next year.
Mm-hmm.
I'm planning on dropping the first half of my album this year. I'm not gonna mention when. Yeah, but then expect some works from me. Yeah. All right. I will.
Keep calm, my guy.
Not cans.
Oh.
Kissing up.
Okay, keep calm. I've got something 9.4. Go feel out the 5.
No, car.
All right. Percy, postman. Eish.
Percy the postman.
They're postman.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Bless out.
Please come in happiness. Fabulous as a vele. I hope that's someone like Lonene.
Yeah. Representing.
I know, thanks for coming through, man.
Hello back.
Away. Where them blazers at?
Where the blazers at? Thanks a lot, man. Hello back.
But
This is a fantastic show, eh?
yeah,
It's just very early in the morning.
But you must talk to this guy for that live.
No, I will. What time does that happen?
It's on a Sunday.
On a Sunday?
Yeah,
On the
it's
afternoon?
11 to 12. 11 to 12.
Toy and Dawn. 91.3 FM. Mahungu
Show, Pre. Easy. Nice. I'm hearing about your show.
Yes, my show. Give me a
Okay.
number.
079. Oh, am I giving up my numbers while I'm on live video?
Okay. Okay, just do this.
073 659 1328. Okay. Ready?
Okay. Yeah. All right. Wait, just one piece. Okay. Brother, thank you.
Pull it up.